Find your roots, unraveling the phrase's meaning. Hello everyone. Today we're diving into an intriguing English phrase, find your roots. It's a phrase you might have heard in conversations, movies, or books. Understanding such phrases can enrich your English learning journey. So let's explore what it means and how you can use it. Firstly, let's look at the word roots in the literal sense. Roots are the part of a plant that grows underground. They anchor the plant and absorb nutrients and water. Just like a tree needs its roots to grow and thrive, humans also have roots. In a figurative sense, when we say, find your roots, we're talking about discovering or exploring one's cultural, familial, or ethnic background. It's about understanding where you come from, your heritage, your family history, and the traditions that shape your identity. Understanding your roots can be important for several reasons. It helps in building a sense of identity and belonging. Knowing where your ancestors came from, what they believed in, and how they lived can give you a deeper understanding of yourself. You can use find your roots in various contexts. For example, I'm traveling to Italy to find my roots and learn more about my grandparents. In a metaphorical sense, you might hear, he's trying to find his roots in the field of science, suggesting someone is discovering their foundational passion or interest. I hope this video helps you understand the phrase, find your roots. It's more than just a saying. It's about a journey of self-discovery and connection to your heritage and past. Remember, learning such phrases adds depth to your language skills and helps you connect more meaningfully with others. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.